Brainstorming with just one brain is always challenging. It's not as much of a storm as we would like. When we're brainstorming, having a lot of opinions, ideas, it really makes things much more effective. And in this video, we're going to look at a Copilot 365 agent that can help you with brainstorming when you're on your own. A lot of times what we used to do with brainstorming is we'd use some sort of third-party tool. This is one that I've had for years. It's a set of cards that I would use that would give me ideas to examine my ideas and do things like, look to nature, give yourself a whack on the side of the head. That's the name of the book. There's all sorts of different suggestions here on how I can improve my thinking. It acts as a partner that challenges me to think about my ideas in new ways. Well, now that we have AI, and specifically Copilot 365, there's an idea agent built into the tool so that at any time I can challenge my ideas, I can find new ideas, I can expand ideas. And we're going to look at those in this video. Hello, my name is Frank, and here on this channel, we look at how we can use technology with intention to do things, teaching, learning, and being more productive. This video is part of a series of videos on Copilot 365 agents. And if you're interested in the series, check out the playlist down below or check out some other videos on the channel if you like using technology intentionally to actually do things. So now let's take a look at a very interesting agent in Copilot 365, one that I think has enormous potential, but a lot of people just don't know about or don't use: the idea agent. Having a thinking partner is a great way to refine your ideas or to discover new ones. The challenge is it's not always possible to find someone to have a discussion with when you need to have a brief discussion, maybe around a document or a project or something that you're working on. But Copilot 365 helps resolve this with the Idea Coach. Now, you'll see here I'm in Copilot 365, and if I go into Agents, you can see I have a number of agents here. I can search for the Idea Coach by putting in the word idea, and you can see there's the brainstorming partner, the Idea Coach. The other way is if I click on the See More button, look through here, you should see the Idea Coach here, but you'll notice it's not here. So sometimes the agents that we're looking for won't necessarily find their way. Oh, it is actually here. It's down here in the corner. But sometimes you'll need to search for the agents. In this case here, I just missed it, but I can now pin that over to my agents here. And if I take a look here, you can see I now have the Idea Coach available to me. So what exactly is the Idea Coach? Again, I can go in here, we'll open it up. It's a coach or a tool, an agent that will allow me to start brainstorming sessions on a topic. So I can brainstorm on a topic, I can plan a brainstorming session, maybe with other people. There's different brainstorming exercises to warm up the brain. I can do things like organize ideas, look for feedback and improvement, look for things like training and development so I can improve my skills for a certain topic. This can really help me get started with something and start generating different ideas that I can start acting upon. So let's say, for example, I want to brainstorm a topic. Now here it'll just give me a quick prompt, hey coach, help me brainstorm about a specific topic. And I can, put the topic in here. Sometimes I'll use dictation here and just talk to it. So that's sometimes useful. So I'll actually take out this prompt and I'll go ahead and just talk to it. I'll say, hey coach, can you help me brainstorm some ideas of different types of tours that we might want to offer in Western Canada? We're very interested in sticking to the Vancouver Island region, maybe the Gulf Islands, and we might look into the Whistler-Pemberton area as well. We're very interested in different experiences in the interior of British Columbia, as well as the Canadian Rockies. We have a number of different things that we already offer, but we are looking to expand and have some different tours that we can offer in different regions of Western Canada. So now what I've done is I've really talked to it and gave it a fairly extensive prompt of what I've been thinking about. Now, I also maybe want to give it a little bit of help. So what I can do is I can add resources on here, and I could add work content. I could upload some images and files. That's really useful if maybe you have an image and you want to put it in there and say, hey, help me brainstorm how maybe the images of something like somebody on a snowshoeing tour. And I could say, hey, here's an image that I really like about snowshoeing. Can you help me brainstorm around that topic? So there's a lot you can do in terms of providing it with some resources. I'll attach some cloud files and I can go into my OneDrive here and you can see that I've got, in this case here, I'll go into my adventures file here. I have my welcome presentation. I could put that in there. That's a presentation that I used for my team. I could add some additional files in here. Maybe what I want to do is let it know a little bit about my company. So I'll put in let's go in here. This is the tours that I offer and maybe the company overview in there. So you can see I've got quite a few things in here. I'll put those in there just to give it a sense of who the company is and those types of things. So now I'm going to go ahead and the idea coach is going to engage with me so that we can start developing some ideas. So it's looking at the profile, it understands me, I can confirm that it understands me, it tells me what the premium shoulder, this is correct, this all makes sense here, right? And so in this case here, it's talking about some ideas like maybe wild food and coastal foraging tours. That would be quite interesting. So we could, so it's giving me some ideas. Storm watching adventures. Now, I will say I don't want to do wild food because if somebody eats a poisonous mushroom, I'm in big trouble. But anyways, it still gave me the idea. But storm watching adventures, that's very interesting. That's really big actually in this area here. So you can see many of these ideas might be things that I thought of already on my own, but it could also be that there's things that I missed, that I didn't think about. Maybe they were on the periphery of my knowledge base or things that I didn't think about and I want to explore further. So, dark sky and astronomy tours. So you can see it's giving me a lot of it's giving me a lot of ideas, right? So what I can do is it's giving me the ideas that I can now start brainstorming with. And it's even looked at ones that it thinks I should prioritize. The cycling adventure around the Gulf Islands, that's actually a fantastic tour. I did that years ago as a Boy Scout. Rockies lodge to lodge hiking, that's interesting. European style hiking from lodge to lodge. Storm watching is big. Hot springs, who doesn't like a hot spring? And North Island wilderness adventures. The North Vancouver Island area is completely underutilized in terms of expeditions. So I know these because I'm familiar with the area, but this is a great thing for somebody who's, again, familiar with the tour company, familiar with everything. I'm getting excited about the actual output of this demo. This is a demo. You can use your own material in here and you'll be excited as I am. So that's quite funny, actually. So I could go in here and I'll just say, help me create a phased rollout plan, for the 5 recommended or priority, right? Priority tours, put that in there. All right, so we'll fire that off. And now it's going to go through and now it's going to, continue to work with me back and forth. And you can see that's great. Quick wins, low capital investment, storm watching, right? The only challenge with storm watching is you have to have storms, which is not a problem there. Anyways, so if you go here, so there's all of these types of things that is helping me come up with more and more interest. It's talking about, some of the revenue potentials in here, the audience I can continue pushing back and forth. And it's really a conversation that I'm having with the AI, the idea coach, to help me improve ideas. I'll use this a fair amount. I'll just go into a new chat here. So this is not using the tour company, but I will often go in here and say, very quickly in the morning or something, I'll come in and say, hey, idea coach, can you give me 5 icebreaker activities that are 5 minutes or less in duration that I can use with a class of post-secondary students? I have 24 students in my class and I would like to break them into groups of 4 or 5 in order so that they can work together. Very simple. Oh, I stopped it a little bit soon. Work together. And again, I'll sometimes pop in these types of ideas because it gives me something really quick that I can do in my classroom. So it depends on your circumstances. I've seen a lot of people, can you give me some team building activities? And it really goes out and searches for these. And it's often, useful. Some things I mean, like I've tried that, it doesn't work. I've tried that, it does work. I've never even thought of this before. And you can refine them with the idea coach. It's really nice to have a conversation with Copilot 365 to refine ideas that you have and to get a little bit of extra input in order to discover new things that you might be able to do or build or create. It can be very helpful if you're facing sort of a blank page or if you're just looking for some help to get organized. Go into the Idea Coach and see what it can do by asking you questions and you providing it resources. So we've looked at a few things within this series of videos, from research, analysis, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SharePoint page creation. All of these things are great ways to improve our workflows and our productivity. And the Idea Coach is right up there with them because it can help us find ideas and things to do. Now, there is a fundamental way that we interact with a lot of AI, and that is to give AI a prompt, to give it something to do for us. And you may have heard of a lot of courses and resources out there on prompt engineering. Well, why not have AI help us with that process? In Copilot 365, we can use another agent called the prompt agent. And we'll look at that in the next video. If it's available, I'll have it right here. If it's not available yet, there's this video here that you can watch, and we'll see you in some other video. Thank you so much for watching.